Hey everybody, welcome back to another exciting video where I teach you the best ways to make money online. Today I'm going to show you how you can earn a consistent online income with just a few simple videos that teach something that you love or you're passionate about. But here's the thing most people don't understand that I'm going to reveal in this training. Number one, you don't need to be an expert. You don't need any fancy recording equipment, and you don't need to charge for your course or to make money from it. I'm going to reveal exactly how that works, so stay tuned until the very end of this training because I'm going to give you a way to do this step by step. But before we can get into all of that, if you're new here, welcome to what I hope becomes your favorite channel to learn how to make money online. I post videos here regularly and always try to bring you the most up-to-date tactics and strategies to help make money online that actually works. There are so many channels and videos running around on YouTube that have half-stitched ideas and methods no one actually ever used. So make sure to hit the like and subscribe button as well as to turn on the notification bell. I always read the most earliest comments first and use those to help me decide what we're going to talk about next. Okay, so let's dive into today's training on how to make money online using Udemy. Even if you aren't an expert, don't have fancy recording equipment or a high-tech studio, and even if you don't want to charge anything for your course. So here we go. Step one is product selection. We're going to need to select a product that we love and become an affiliate. Now, if you're new here and have never heard of affiliate marketing, instead of creating your own products or wholesaling them from China or offering a service like an agency or a consultant. With affiliate marketing, you can promote someone else's product and collect a commission on the sale. A great way to get ideas for something like this is to check out a website called clickbank.com. Now, when you arrive at ClickBank's homepage, you'll see a wide variety of categories to choose from. Everything from digital marketing to DIY and home and garden, stock investing, health and fitness products. There's even a ton of products for preppers or people who like to live off the grid. And yes, believe it or not, people that want to live off the grid and escape technology also happen to buy a lot of products on the internet. Now, for this strategy, my advice is to pick something that you're legitimately interested in and think you'd like to talk about. Even though you can knock out this strategy in one afternoon, it really helps to have a background or an interest in the topic. Now, you'll first want to sign up for a ClickBank account. It's totally free by going to clickbank.com and clicking sign up. After signing up and logging into your account, click the marketplace icon on the left of your screen. Next, you can either click on the menu on the left-hand side and browse by category, or you can use the search bar at the top right to find something more specific. Okay, once you've selected your category, you're going to find a product you'd like to promote and become a partner or an affiliate of that product. For this example, I've searched for keto and found an offer called the Custom Keto Diet. And as you can see here, the average dollar amount or commission per conversion is $54.38. After clicking promote and entering an account nickname, which you would set up, ClickBank provides a hop link, which is simply an affiliate link that ensures you get paid when referring traffic to this product. Now, once you've generated a link, every time someone clicks on that link and buys the products, you get a cut of that sale. Now, step two, we're going to need to create a simple course with about 5 videos and upload them to Udemy. Now, I know that sounds pretty complicated, but here's the thing. Many of you watching this, I know, have already created YouTube videos and done it without a huge budget or a big studio or fancy equipment. Probably you're just simply screen sharing on your computer and providing quick tutorials or using a PowerPoint. And honestly, when you're solving a problem and helping someone reach their goals, that's really all you need. Now, if your next question is, Anthony, how do I structure an online course, or how do I know what to put into it? Well, here's what you want to do. Inside of the company Udemy, there are free courses, and you can simply download those free courses. Now, we're never going to recommend that you simply copy and paste what somebody else is doing. But let's say you're interested in making a course on Instagram marketing. Well, last I checked, there were dozens of free courses on how to grow your Instagram account and market it the right way. And while they aren't all exactly the same, there's a lot of overlapping content. I promise you, if there is something you're interested in doing, after watching a few of these courses, you'll begin to get a feel on how you want to structure your own course and put your own spin on it. Next, you're going to want to record your modules either using a screen share or a simple PowerPoint or just talking to the camera. Again, this should not take months. If you're not comfortable talking about the content, then you can take a few minutes, pause, work on it, practice it over and over again, and eventually you can pump it out, sometimes as quick as in an afternoon. And here's the great part. It doesn't have to be perfect. And we'll get to that reason why here on the next step. Once you're ready, you'll list your course for free. Now, listen, more than ever, people are turning to online education, and with so much free content on YouTube, people are looking for other ways they can learn more without dishing out their credit card up front. And just by listing your course for free, people will be willing to sign up and check it out because there's zero risk. So how do you make money if your course is free? Remember that affiliate link we made at the beginning of this training? We're going to take that link and put it in your instructor bio and simply say something like, if you'd like to learn more, click out or check out this product that does X, Y, or Z, or whatever the features are that you're promoting. So let's recap. Step one, we're going to find a niche we like and become an affiliate of a popular product. Step two, we're going to create a simple video course by either screen sharing or PowerPoint or just turning on your iPhone camera and talking about your topic, and you're going to upload it to Udemy, Skillshare, or any other online course platforms. Step three, we're going to list the course for free and promote our product in the bio section. Now, if you're willing to commit to something like this, I'm about to show you two ways you can take this idea to the next level. First, instead of putting an affiliate link that goes right to the product in your bio, give people a link to join your email list. Okay, this way you're going to be able to continue to brand yourself and you're able to follow up with your viewers. So whether that's to give them another opportunity to grab the product you're promoting or even promote additional products to them. This method increases the potential value of every customer, and it's really how you turn affiliate marketing into a long-term business. Second, instead of finding affiliate products where you only earn on the initial sale, find products that offer lifetime recurring commissions like software or subscription services, so you can generate passive income without having to constantly find new customers. And lastly, find products that work together so that when you do that initial customer and you get that person in, you'll be able to increase your average order by having them purchase more products. Now, if you'd like to learn more about how to implement these level up strategies, then click on the link below in the description. You'll be taken to a free training where you can learn how to grow your email list, how to find products that offer lifetime commissions, and to work with another so that, these different courses that work together so you can stack your commissions each and every month. And as always, thank you for viewing today's training. I'll see you next time.